Hey, Dr. C here with you. I want to share a little backstory just with you guys in the group on how this book came about and why it's relevant. You know, as a naturopathic endocrinologist, my focus has been thyroid disease, but also we've treated diabetes, and then I learned about just how common fatty liver was. There was a program that came out that treated diabetes with a pretty low food, low calorie, liquid food only regime. And it was 8 weeks, it was 600 calories a day, not a lot of food, but it worked. And I saw just radical transformations. The study itself showed that the pancreas could regrow the damaged parts of it. And that was super exciting. People could become non-diabetic for the first time. And I thought about that, and I really wondered, they didn't use good quality ingredients. So I thought if we had real food, like for a meal, and we had good quality protein as well, if we couldn't do more food and couldn't do a shorter time frame. So I tested it, and sure enough, we saw it was the case. And we learned more that these issues about liver fat buildup, blood sugar problems were super common in those who had thyroid disease. And they're also really common in women who were close to menopause age, just before or just after menopause. And I saw so many that struggled with these core issues revolving around energy, weight, digestion. And it seemed like this was the big way to take care of all of that, and the liver was behind it. So it's been something we've done in the clinic for probably over a decade, tens of thousands of people, great transformations. And it seemed like the time to put it into a simple program and bring this out to the world at large. So that's the story behind the Metabolism Reset Diet. And that's why I'm really excited to have you joining me in getting this message out to make a difference for people.